we've got someone else with us now. Found a worker. His name's Nathan.
How you going? So
he's going to probably be on a lot of the videos now, helping out. Where'd you put my 19mm, Nathan? Good job. Quite good, actually. Can you get that on there, you reckon? We've mounted all the transmission cooler up the front. We've mounted the radiator. We've also done a bit of a expansion tank for the cooling system. So yeah, we're basically on the final stretch to get this thing out on the pad. We're meant to be at Burnout Boss in a couple of weeks, so the mad rush is on to get it there basically.
Oh, they're going to be annoying.
Yeah, but that'll be right. I'll put a...
So if we bring it down a bit.
You don't want it to rub on the steering arm either. But that'll basically be there like so. Well, we finally got a tail shaft made. Being the length of it, we've had to go with the centre bearing. So basically now we've got to try and make a centre bearing carrier, I suppose, in the XF because they never come out with one. But it's just what we have to do, so we'll figure it out. So this should go up. I was hoping just the original gearbox cross member, which obviously bolted up here for the standard Ford Auto, would work, but doesn't look like it's going to. So we're going to have to fabricate something that'll mount off here and go through there. No, because it's not in that groove.
See?
And I just need to figure out the widths. Be able to make that work. Through, fold up, and then we'll sandwich plate with a bolt through the floor. And that should work for that.
Favourite saying? Sure.
Sure.
Or at Bunnings walking in the wrong way, and the chick says, the next time, that the other entrance is the entry, and he's like, awesome.
Nathan cut and drilled the sandwich plates, or the mounting plates, and then I've folded up the centrepiece to go onto the centre bearing, so now I'll just weld them together, and then we should be able to bolt them up in there and hopefully it all works out good. That's the centre bearing mount, hopefully. Those bolts should be long enough down through this too, eh?
No, they won't.
Not reckon?
No. So that's it. That's how you change it. So it will.
Oh, yeah.
So it slides out.
Yeah, yep. Well, I might as well paint this quickly, eh? Red, because race car.
Well, it's reacting with it, eh? Look at it.
Yep, get rid of the zip.
Oh.
Fine.
Oh, you didn't. Oh, you did.
That one.
Have to squeeze.
Right, now I need a bzz, bzz.
Oh.
Weight on it. I mean, there's going to be carpet and shit there, but... Oh, no carpet there. Mint. Just sandwich plate, bolt, we're done. You beautiful. Oh, yeah, you're beautiful. Oh. Dirty girl. Still not going to be able to reach that. You're going to have to actually get up in.
Hang on. This feels really sketchy up here.
You'll be right.
Just do up a little
now
bit.
I'll do up this one.
Yeah, just there.
The shifter we removed from the comp truck because we went from automatic to manual in that. So I might as well use some old second-hand, brand new parts. But being it was on a 4L60E, they are a 3-speed, I believe.
4-speed.
4-speed?
Yeah.
The Paraglide's only a 2-speed, so apparently there's some pins that this pin here, you can change that into a different location to give you your different, obviously, gear patterns. So I need to probably figure that out, make up a bit of a plate for it because this GQ plate won't work. Work out mounting it, and then hopefully the GM mount will still work on the Paraglide, otherwise we'll have to modify that as well. But we'll figure it out soon. Daniel being lazy. Probably just as easy to undo that, but nah, we'll cut it. Maybe we Google it.
Do you still have the instructions?
Nope. Oh, it's going to be bang, bang, bang.
First through neutral is a simple ratchet motion. Now, this is very popular for racing guys.
Kids?
Racing on Facebook.
Fuck me. Shifter, how to adjust shifter cable. Oh,
what's going on here?
oh. What's this shit? Smash my window, that'd be mid. Don't draw on shit.
Now the car's actually worth something. Mine's better.
Mine's almost done. All I need is your exhaust, and this here would be done.
It'll be the dearest thing on your car.
I would pay that for it.
It'll be the best quality thing on your car.
Good luck, you dreamer. Isn't it past your bedtime anyway?
Yeah.
8 o'clock?
Yep.
Yeah, I thought
Oh
so.
no, you done good. Very proud of you.
Oh, that's good, Josh.
Should we cup the bonnet?
Cut the hole in the bottom? I think we should, because it could actually go back on. I can't get these in anymore. They're jammed up. You got the bonnet?
Sure.
I'll get the tool.
You got to tighten my side up because
Yeah.
I tighten them up because I'm good.
What are they?
This is 13.
13s, eh?
13. Did I get it good?
In a little bit? Oh, too far. Too far. So this is your car and you're drawing on the bottom. Beyblades. Beyblades. That actually worked. Spinning top. Hang on, don't scratch the bonnet, mate.
Oh yeah, no, sorry. Ah, it was going. I was gonna win.
They don't look like it was in the middle.
It was. Trust me.
They look better.
No, I mean,
Not.
pinch weld.
Oh. That'll be enough just to start it, eh? So it doesn't cook the box. Yeah, yeah. Funny that. Oh. Yeah, stop that. If it was in park, it would have locked.
Could be neutral.
Or did you put it in neutral?
I don't know.
Yeah, there you go.
Are you glad you got rid of the Corolla?
Oh, missed the Corolla a little bit, but this I think will be funner. This is zip tie so that doesn't melt. Isn't there?
Yep.
Do you want to just hold that earth on? Come on. Oh, it loves it.